Okay friends, in this video we are learning how to check how much money is in your Bajaj finserv EMA card, or how much is your loan limit on your EMA card. Okay, just open your Bajaj finserv application from the menu, then enter the lock or MPIN to unlock your Bajaj finserv application. Then just scroll down. Then you can see there is a section called as your relation. Click view all option to view all of them, or you can easily slide this side to get the EMI card option. So if you have so much loans, it is better to click on view all, but you have less, you can just swipe right side like this. So you can see that my EMI card is coming, and here you can see my EMI limit is 92,274 rupees. So in this way you can easily identify how much amount is in your EMI card for available loan limit. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.